How's it going, guys? You clicked on this video to see an unboxing of this antenna that you purchased on Amazon. So it comes in this packaging, super nice. I actually got it a couple months ago, so that's why the packaging looks a little pale. So let's open it up. All right. Looks pretty cherry. Oh, I see. Here is the base. 21 inches. The Shorty Antenna X. Alright, let's open this up. Imports. Okay. Really? I don't. Okay, got a bunch of staples. All right. Slide this out. Here are the adapters. Wow, this bugger's thick. Dang. Look at that, you can't even bend this thing. It's like a big piece of metal. Okay, I didn't know I would need an adapter. So, screw in one side and put in the other. Gee, this thing is so heavy duty, man. Man, you can really hurt somebody with this. Alright, so next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the import, since I have an import, there, that adapter. Let's see, it would be this one right here. Take the antenna, let's go install it. Okay guys, so there's other pieces over here that needs to be replaced, but I don't have the money for that, and this is not what this is about. And so here we have the antenna. I have my import adapter, and I'm going to be utilizing the righty-tighty, lefty-loosey method that's been passed down from generation to generation. So we're going to put the fat side in. Actually, you know what? Let's see if this works first. Screw this in. Okay. Oh yeah, it's nice. Here, there we go. Okay, on the other side. Just twist it on in. Alright, and that's pretty much it. Make it a little tight. I noticed over here there's no area where you can put a wrench, like a opening and box wrench, but I mean you can just use your thumb. There's a little indentation over here, you can make it tight. Alright, that's pretty much it. And this thing is solid. Okay, let's back it up a little bit. That looks pretty cherry. Okay, and your vehicle is probably not going to be at this angle. A tree branch actually hit and whacked off my old antenna, so there's a big dent over here. Look at this angle. But this antenna is really solid. It's really heavy duty. It's nice. I like it. So there we go. All right. Thanks for watching. Take care.